Hey guys, what is going on? I'm super hyped. I've got the cam mounted today. I'm going for a night ride with some friends I haven't seen in over 6 months. We're doing a little promotional video shoot for a group we're a part of, Sydney West Riders. And hopefully I'm going to get some nice footage tonight. I'll turn the camera around and show everyone else's bikes and get some behind the scenes and get to know the crew. Hope you came for a video. This is what you've been waiting for. To actually hear. On board. I am so keen to ride. I haven't ridden this bike for over 6 months. That's a long time. I really love this bike so much, and it's so good to be out riding it. And the camera's pretty damn shaky on that mirror. It is an aftermarket mirror because the guy I bought this bike off actually broke the mirror, so I had to replace it. And for some reason, genuine 636 mirrors aren't cheap. So I went on eBay, had a little suss, and I got some Ninja 300 mirrors, and they're the same thing. So I hope they do the trick just fine. But you know, they're a little shaky. But this camera does have smoothing features, so I hope it smooths it out. I really hope it does. But I'm meeting all the guys at Triple Lose, so I'm off to Triple Lose for a meet and greet. I think there's about 5 of us riding tonight for a video shoot. So there'll probably be some rolling action shots, some photos of us and that good stuff. So I'll definitely flip around the camera and show you guys everyone else's bike. I hope I've placed this camera well. I had a look, I did a little test shot, but to get the right angle I wanted, I had to put 3 mounts on it, so I hope it's doing alright. Hope it's holding up okay. Also, I'm using Bluetooth through my headset. It's a Cardo Packtalk, so it's probably really bad audio quality because it's just pretty much the Bluetooth to my phone. So don't expect too good quality. I apologize if it's shit, actually. I just remembered I had all the vents open, so it was probably super windy just then. I apologize for that, because I am not using a really good microphone. I'm just using the stock audio. So I hope this footage looks alright. Ah, fuck! Come back. The camera's probably totally horrible right now. I've got 3 different mounts on it. Pretty tacky. Gotta get the proper shit. Nothing brings me more joy than riding motorcycles, honestly. And that's what I wanted to bring to this YouTube channel. My passion for motorcycles, maybe non-riders and other riders, and just, I don't know, just share the love. So much love in motorcycles. So I believe tonight's route, we are leaving from Triple Lose at Moorebank and then going to the city. So that should be fun. We'll go on the M5 and the new M8. I actually haven't even ridden on the new M8 yet. So tonight we'll be popping my cherry on the M8. I usually avoid motorways and toll charges. Not motorways, just toll charges. Because obviously when you're on the bike you have more fun the longer way, right? But it's for a photo shoot, video shoot. I'm sure it'll be beautiful for some nice shots for tonight. And the sun's just starting to set now. It's about 6:30 and we're meeting at 7. No idea what time we're leaving, so we're probably going to have the most best sunset coming out of the M8 tunnels. Probably look absolutely phenomenal. hope the camera's volume isn't just pure wind, because when you do this type of edit, you have to merge your video, audio, and your normal audio together. So I haven't done an actual edit like this for a long time. It's going to be fun to see how I go. See if the voice matches up with the action. I'm hungry. Are you hungry? I'm definitely hungry. I could go for a Big Mac quadruple Mac double pounder. And I just remembered I'm going on a night ride and I have my sun visor on. Rookie mistake. Absolute rookie mistake. Never wear a daytime visor in nighttime, kids. Very bad. Naughty naughty. Let's go. It's so smooth. Absolute butter smooth power on this bike. So confident, inspiring. So I've talked enough shit now. I'm gonna cut the video out and I'm gonna montage the rest of the night, so I hope you guys enjoy. Peace.
Oh no, that is what they all say when they see me pouring some wine. Oh, then gets empty again. Better fill it up before I go. Cause I'm loving it, feeling it, touch me and being it. See what I see in it, I'm typical. Messing around with it, mix it up, go with it, flow with it, let it all go. Oh Lord, think you know what I'm like. Put you down for you lose control. Bittersweet melody when I dance on your fly. Cause I know what you don't. It is me you adore. Does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They never seen you out of your bed. Cut to the bone, it's broken up and how sad. Oh boy, got so hot I forgot what I should have thought of before. Sure ain't easy for you to let off the rules, cause there's so much fun. Are you loving the feeling it? Touch me, are you in it? Don't say what you're saying, but typical. Messing around with it, mix it up, go with it, flow with it, please let it go. Oh no, think I did it again. I said a few things that I shouldn't have done. Well, bittersweet melody when I dance on your fly.